Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to convert this Excel file, which is Microsoft Excel file, into JSON file inside Node.js. So we will actually write a very simple script which will convert the data which is contained inside your Excel file inside our terminal. So you can see if I open this Excel file, this data looks something like this. We have a set of columns right here, set of rows out there. So we will convert all this data of this Microsoft Excel file to a JSON file here. And if I run this script, just see, as I run the script here on the left hand side, this Excel file will be converted and Excel to JSON conversion complete. And you will actually see it's on the left hand side, a JSON file has been created. And if I open this file right here, you will see an array of JSON objects will be created. Each object you can see has these properties. This is a second object. So in this easy way, so let me just get started here how I build this. So first of all, we need this third-party package which will be coming from this XLS package. So we just need to install this package here. So just go to your command line, just install this third-party package by this command here. I've already installed it. So you need this package, and then you also need the file system package, which is a built-in package inside your Node.js application. So we actually require this. After that, we actually say the input file here. So this contains a function called as read file, and here you will actually pass the input file name which is contained inside the same directory. So output.xls. So we will actually pass this input file here, which will be, after passing the name, we will get access to the sheet. So whatever is the sheet here, so we can easily call this function workbook sheet names, and we will get access to the first sheet. As you know that in Excel file there are multiple sheets, so we are getting access to this first sheet number, sheet 1. So we are simply passing the name right here. We will get access to the sheet 1, and after that we will get access to the data. So whatever data is available, we can actually call this function XLS utils.sheet to JSON. So there is this function out there which allows you to export all the data inside a JSON file. So here we need to specify the workbook. So workbook.sheets, and here you need to provide the sheet name. So after providing it, we will basically write this file. So there is a function right there, file system.write file synchronous, and here you will specify the file name which will be output JSON, and then you will specify, convert all the data, json.stringify data null 2. So then we can actually show a notification that Excel file converted to JSON successfully. So in this easy way guys, you can actually convert your Excel file into JSON. And now let's suppose I delete this file here before running your application. So now you will see there are no file present. If I run the application now, node index.js, you will see this notification, and this JSON file is created. And if you see, you will see your output JSON file will be created, which will hold this array of object. Each object which is contained inside, each data inside your Excel file has been converted inside your JSON file. So all the source code guys is given in the description of this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.